Pakistan quietly flirting with Israel, or was it all just an awkward handshake gone viral? That's the diplomatic mystery ripping through Islamabad after a 10-second clip from London began doing 10 million rounds online. It happened at the World Travel Market, a massive global expo where countries sell beaches, mountains, and travel dreams. But this year, the biggest attraction wasn't a destination, it was a handshake. A senior Israeli tourism official, Michael Isakov, walked up to Pakistan's pavilion and warmly greeted Sardar Yasir Ilyas Khan, the Pakistani PM's advisor on tourism. Cameras rolled, smiles flashed, and instantly, Pakistan's political temperature shot from simmer to boil. Because Pakistan and Israel don't just lack diplomatic ties, Pakistan legally bans its citizens from visiting Israel. So even a polite handshake can set off ideological alarms. As the clip exploded online, Islamabad scrambled into denial mode. Sardar Yasir claimed he did not even know who he was shaking hands with. The Foreign Office doubled down. Not authorized, not approved, not informed. Translation: please don't blame us. Religious parties pounced. Former Senator Mushtaq Ahmed Khan called it a betrayal of Gaza, Al-Aqsa, and the entire Palestinian cause. The outrage wasn't surprising. In Pakistan, any hint of warming towards Israel is political TNT. But here's what makes this moment more intriguing. It comes as Washington is quietly floating Pakistan's name for the proposed International Stabilization Force for Gaza, a Trump-era plan involving Muslim-majority troops helping secure post-war Gaza. Reports even claim Pakistan's army chief met US and Israeli officials in Egypt to discuss a possible 20,000 troop deployment. Islamabad denies it, of course, but the timing is interesting. Add to that PM Shehbaz Sharif's recent meeting with the American Jewish Congress president, and a pattern begins to emerge, or at least the perception of one. So what's the truth? Officially, Pakistan insists nothing has changed. No ties with Israel, no recognition, no authorized contact, full support for a Palestinian state with East Jerusalem as its capital. But unofficially, a handshake in London has opened the door Islamabad cannot quite close. And the world is now watching what walks through it. With Rishika Aradhya, Bureau Report, India Today Global.